They don't want to feel like they're being attacked.
Absolutely.
It's not what you say, it's how you say it.
Absolutely.
So as your verbiage, your communication with him, some men, you don't know their past. You don't know what they have dealt with in the past, in past relationships that could trigger something.
Yeah.
Just by a word or a tone, a look. So sometimes you have to just wait, pray, ask God, how can I say this? And sometimes God has told me to shut up, don't say nothing, I'll deal with him. Or if he wants me to say something, I'll wait and he'll give me the words to say, when to say it, and in the right spirit that he will receive it. When you just go at a man, you're mad, he's mad, you're emotional. No one's listening to each other. No one's trying to understand each other. You're just trying to get your point across. And ladies, you know how we can be. You know, don't play. You know how we can be. This tongue of ours, it can split you in half. We can cut a man quickly with one word.
Absolutely.
But when this is a man that God has given you, you have to be careful because you will have to.
You gotta answer to God.
You gotta answer to him.
Because remember, that's God's child too.
Very careful not to attack him.
Yeah.
And if you really think about it, you don't want to feel attacked.
Yeah.
You want someone to be mindful and considerate of your feelings and how you're going to receive what you're trying to say.
Yep.
So ladies, let's be careful with the tongue, because sometimes it can be quick-tongued. Talking in tongue if you want to. Quick. Am I good on that?
Oh, definitely. Your wife need to be put in front of everybody. Even if you have children from the outside coming from another relationship, your wife is the one that still has to be put first before all. Ain't nobody coming from nowhere trying to cause any interruption in this. I'm not having it.
Men want to feel respected.
Yes,
it's
Lord.
nothing like having a disrespectful woman by your side with a big old mouth, especially when you in public. Even if you don't agree with something, that's not the time to do it in front of everybody. You gotta get along. Y'all can talk about it later. A lot of women, we have an issue with that R word. It's gotta be our way or no way.
And they think it means submission.
And it doesn't. It does not.
Submit. It just
we haven't even said that word in any of these traits. If you want respect, then give the same respect. It's the same thing. You respect each other.
Yes.
You're doing good so far, babe.
Girl, you are getting it on point. All right. Admired.
I want to be admired.
You acknowledge and honor her in all things. The way you look at her, the way that she carry herself.
Okay.
She needs to be told that. There are times that I told my wife, baby, you just have an awesome character about yourself and the integrity that you uphold. So it's me admiring and recognizing and letting her know, hey, what you do is excellent. You know, you are awesome. Not only that, I always tell her, you do an awesome job with Divine. Okay? So.
I love that, because it's sometimes you may know it, but it's nothing like hearing it.
Yep.
And sometimes we can take it for granted.
Yep.
Thinking, well, they know. They already know.
No, they got to hear sometimes.
It's nothing like hearing it from the one that you love.
I love it when it comes from out of nowhere and you just like it's just because, you know, I send kisses or something like that, you know, and she'll say stuff I can't stand when she do this.
You do me like
she
that. She
always talking about
you having a moment.
You having a moment.
Nothing
like,
wrong with that.
Yes, I'm having a moment. Why you asking me that when you know I'm having a moment? Because I'm sending you these kisses.
They may not know they need this one. Until you introduce this to them. They too need. Self-care is not just for women.
And the wives need to encourage that.
Encourage it. Now I have introduced him to massages, saunas. We're getting ready to float on some water soon.
Yes, Lord.
They need that. Go with your boy. I used to say, please go. You have any friends? Go with your boy. I went and bought him some golf clubs, an outfit, the what you call them, the things, the European things, whatever you call it. I bought him the whole works. Get out. Bye. They too need to understand they work hard. They need their time away to refresh, to rejuvenate, to be with the boys, to hang out, to get out of that daddy role, to get out of that husband role, but just be free to be them.
I like
when
that.
we first got married, Vito had no idea what I was talking about when I said I need my me time. What do you mean? I'm like, listen. If I don't have my me time, you're not gonna like me at all. We've been together 15 years, so
Yeah.
now he realized I come back rejuvenated. I'm ready to roll.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Men, it's time for you to take care of yourself. And when he started appreciating it.
Yeah.
He needs
I
that
need that. I did.
to just depress.
Yeah. Yes, Lord. Yes.
Get
Lord.
along with God.
Yeah.
And women, you may
A
have
lot
to
of women-
encourage
a
this
lot of
because
men don't. They don't know that.
men have not been taught to take care of
Keep
themselves
themselves.
in this manner.
Yeah. Yeah.
They have always been taught, go,
Yeah.
make that money, provide, work. But if he works so much and he doesn't take care of himself, he won't be around that long to work.
Right. All right. Very good, babe. Very good. Women desires to be the only one he is attracted to or see.
You better stop, boy. You better stop.
Brothers, let me tell you this.
Whew.
She needs to know that you are attracted to her.
No matter if she gained weight.
She needs to know that she is still the apple of your eye, and she still needs to know that she is fine, sexy, beautiful.
We don't want you to lie now.
I mean, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You know what I mean? I mean, hey, if he believes that she is beautiful and that's the way she is to him, then he needs to also make sure that he tells her that here and there. Maybe she like flowers, something like that. My wife, she don't like flowers. She like quality time and just going doing things together, spending time.
Yeah.
That's her time. That's her way of saying, hey, I want you to give me my time. Show me that I'm still attracted to you. Look at me. Kiss me. Feel
Touch
on me. Touch me. So
Initiate, please.
brothers,
Please initiate.
you got to get out of this little realm, that where you kind of like, laid back. No, you got to push
We
for
want
that.
aggression
sometimes, yeah.
The good kind, if you feel me.
The last one, they desires the compliments on her body, looks, and her attire. Brothers, let me tell you this. It is very important for you to compliment your wife.
Oh, I like compliments.
Tell her how beautiful she look. When she put on a certain outfit, you tell her that is cute. I like that. That's sexy. All right, sexy. I see you, girl. They love that. And it's true. It's supposed to be true. Because when you see her, you still look at her. My wife tells me all the time, she say, I don't gain so-and-so. I say, I don't see that. She's talking like, boy, I don't know what God done did with your eyes.
You don't blind him.
He'll play. I say, babe, you got to understand something. You always still going to be beautiful to me no matter what. That's just the way it is. Because when we were together and when God put us together, you was already beautiful to me then. So it don't matter whether or not you get older and then you gain more weight or I gain more weight. You're still beautiful to me, period. Because our connection had nothing to do with what your body looked like. Everything had to do with what your heart was and who your heart was towards. So brothers, remember that.
I want to piggyback on that. I want to steal this one.
Go ahead, baby.
Women, no one should be complimenting your man more than you.
Yeah.
And vice versa.
Yeah.
Men,
My baby
no
doesn't
other
compliment
man
me.
should be complimenting your woman more than you.
Yeah.
No one, if I walk out this door and someone say, oh, you're so beautiful, I know that. Because my husband tells me. I don't say that, but I'm saying I don't get all gushy. I'm like, oh, thank you, and I keep it moving. Why? Because I hear it all the time. He has planted that seed in me because I know I'm beautiful.
Hey,
You just
you're
confirming
beautiful.
what my husband has already said.
Hey, I can't lie anyway.
So
You're beautiful, baby. Fine. Jimmy, that's not bad.
I'm just saying.